Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your body piercing studio business. So let's suppose I'm running body piercing studio and I'm receiving many queries and messages on my WhatsApp. I'm manually replying to all of the queries and this is consuming a lot of my time. So I'm completely going to automate this process, and to do this automation, I'm going to create a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. With the help of this WhatsApp chatbot, I'm instantly going to reply to all the queries and messages sent by my customers. Whenever users send me a message, I'm automatically going to reply to their specific query. Now, if you want to learn the step-by-step process of how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, then let me take you all to my screen.
In this video, we are going to see how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your body piercing studio. For this, I have created a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, and now we are going to test this WhatsApp chatbot once whether it is working fine or not. For that, I am going to open my WhatsApp and I am going to send a message like, "Hello, I'm going to send this message," and you will see that I'm going to receive the reply. And here we have received this reply. "Hey there, welcome to Spark Point Piercing Studio. How can we help you today?" And if I click on any of the buttons, you will see that I'm going to receive the reply. If I click on this book appointment, I'm going to receive the reply. And then if I click on any of the buttons, it is going to send me the booking link. Here, this is the link. If I open this, I will be redirected to the booking link. Now, if I click on this pricing details, so here it has sent me these pricing details and it is asking me which piercing do I want to schedule. So I'm going to go with this nose piercing. And it is going to send me which piercing. So I'm going to click on this, and as soon as I click on this, then again the booking link will be sent to me. Now if I click on this aftercare tip, it is going to send me some aftercare tips, and then it asks me, want a full guide. If I click on this no, I'm not going to receive any reply. If I click on this yes, I'm going to receive a document and I'm going to download this document, and let's see what we have received. It has been downloaded. I'm going to open this. And here this is the document, Spark Point Piercing Studio, and then we have why aftercare matters, general do's and don'ts. We have this healing time guide, we have signs of infection, and if they need any help, I have provided them with the contact information. So this is how this WhatsApp chatbot is going to run. And now to learn how to create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your body piercing studio. For this, I've created a WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And to visit Pabbly Chatflow, we simply need to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser. And now after browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free. As I am an existing user, I'll click on the sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I am going to click on this Pabbly Chatflow Access now. And it has taken me towards this app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to learn how you can create your own Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this add WhatsApp number. You can connect your WhatsApp number with the help of this button, and if you're using a manual token to connect your WhatsApp, you can use this button. You can see the credit allots, credit consume, and credit remaining. You can see the WhatsApp number added over here. Now, on the left hand side where you can see all these options, I am on the dashboard, which gives the overview of all the activities. Next is inbox. So this is the central place to manage and reply to customer conversation. We have this contact. So this manage your leads, customer and their details. We have this team queues. So this assign and manage incoming chats among team members. We have this templates. If you wish to create a new template, click on this template list. If you want to explore some template, click on this explore template. So this create and manage reusable message templates for campaigns. We have this option of broadcast. So this send bulk messages to selected contacts or segments. We have this flows. So this build automated chatbot workflows and conversation sequences. we have this AI assistant. So this use AI tools to auto-generate replies, content or suggestion. We have the settings. Over here you can see all the options which we have. This will help configure account integrations and preferences. The final is get help. So this access support FAQs or contact the help desk. Now over here, let's move towards my app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and to create a new WhatsApp chatbot, as I've told you, we have to go towards this flows. So let's open this flows. So here I've landed towards this flow builder. Oh, you can see the total flows, active flows and inactive flows. You can see all the flows which I've created. Now to create a new flow, we simply need to click on this add flow. So let's open this. And here we have landed to this page. Now before we start creating this flow, let's quickly name this flow to WhatsApp chatbot for your body piercing studio. So this is the name of my chatbot. And now before we start creating this chatbot, let's quickly go through all the options and buttons on the left hand side. So under this messages, we have this text button and media button, which will help us send text, images, videos or documents. We have this list. So if you have many options to provide to your customers, you can use this list instead of using the button. If you want to send a catalog message, single product or multiple product, you can use these buttons. We have this template, which is a pre-designed message format, includes text, message, image or links. We have this actions. Under this action, we have this condition, which helps us branch the flow. We have this ask address, with the help of which we can ask the address from the user. We can ask the location. We can ask any question. We can ask them to upload the media. We can create custom fields, and then we can segment the user according to the choice of the products or any other service. Here is the API request, which sends or retrieves the data from external APIs. We have this connect flow, which links the flow to another chatbot flow. Now let's quickly start creating this flow, and to start this flow, we have to trigger or activate this chatbot. To do that, we have to enter the keywords and the regex. So I'm going to enter some commonly used keywords like hello, hey, and hi. You can enter the keywords from your product and services. Like here, we are creating the chatbot for this body piercing studio. You can create a keyword like piercing, body, nose, ear, belly, like that. Now we have this one more option of regex. Now here we have to add the regex in this particular format. Please make sure that you add the regex in this particular format. And regex is like a smart search tool that helps chatbot identify pattern in user messages. Instead of manually listing out every possible keyword, you can define rules to match different variation of words or phrases. Here we have one more option, enter regex to match substring trigger, enable toggle for case sensitive regex. So if you are using this regex field, you can toggle this on. Now here we have activated or triggered this chatbot after adding the keywords or the regex, and next we have to send a message. For that, you can see that I have sent this message and this chatbot got triggered and it sent me this message. So how we are going to create this message? For that, we have to go towards this chat flow and we have to click on the circle, drag and drop the circle, and then we have to select the content type. I have already explained you all the content types. I'm going to select this as text plus button as I want to send the message. So I'm going to write my message as, so here I have entered the message, hey there, welcome to Spark Point Piercing Studio, and then the rest of the message. Now you can see that I have bold this text. How I was able to bold this text? I have entered star in the starting and in the ending of the sentence, and this helped me bold the sentence. Now I'm going to provide the buttons, which means I'm going to provide the choices or the options. As I have only 3 options, I'm going to provide 3 buttons. If you had more options, you can use this list button. Now here I'm going to quickly create the buttons like, so here I have entered the buttons. Now I want that whenever someone click on any of the buttons, the next message is sent to them. Like in this chatbot I have created, I clicked on this book appointment and the message was sent to them. And when I click on this next button, the link, booking link was sent to them. So here I am going to create the messages in this very similar manner. Like I have clicked on the circle, drag and drop the circle, and then I have selected my content type as text plus button because I want to send the message. If you want to upload a media, like if you want to upload the image, audio, video or folder, something like that, what you can do, you can select the content type as media, then you have to select your media type, and then you have to simply click on this cloud to browse or drop that file which you want to upload, and that will be uploaded. You just need to keep in mind that the file size do not exceed. So here I am quickly going to create the messages for all of these buttons. So here I've created the buttons and the messages. The first is of book appointment. So here I've created the message for this book appointment. Let's get you booked in, and then I have asked them which piercing do they want, for the nose, for the ear, or for the belly. And then when they click on any of the buttons, I'm going to send them the great choice. Please click the link below to book your slot, and with the help of this link they will be able to book the slot. Now I have added this pricing details message. I'm going to provide them with the pricing, and I'm going to ask them do they want to schedule, and I have put this question box. Over here you can see under this actions I have this ask question, and if I drag and drop this, I'm going to enter the question or the message over here, and then I have to select my content custom field. In my contact custom field, I'm going to select the field for which I'm asking the question. Now here I've created a field for answers because I want to ask them which piercing do they want or what they want to schedule. They are going to write and send me. That gets saved in this contact custom field, and I'm going to use that later to send post-light message. Now here on the left hand side where you can see all these options, I have to go towards this contact custom fields. Let's quickly go through this contact custom fields, and here we have landed to this contact custom fields. If I scroll down, you can see all the fields which I have created. Now to send this personalized message, I was talking about how we can send this personalized message. So I have created the contact custom field for answers. So I'm going to copy this from here, contact custom field, copy to clipboard, and in any of the message I'm going to insert it so as to show you how it looks. So this is how it looks, and this whatever we add in as our answer gets saved in my contact custom field, and then it will reflect in my messages when it will be sent. This dollar means dynamic. So this is going to make my messages personalized. Now let's go back towards my flow. So here I have selected my contact custom field, and then I have selected the format as any because it could be either number or the text or both. If you are going to ask the full name, you have to use this text because the name will be in text format itself. If you are going to ask the phone number, you have to use this number. If you are going to ask the date, you have to ask this date. So this is how this format works. Now when they are going to answer me with this, I'm going to send them the next message that what piercing do they want. And then after that, when they choose this, I'm going to send them this booking link. You can also expand your flow. You can create multiple messages and multiple buttons according to your choice and preference. For your example and understanding, I have created this button or the message. Now here, the last button is of aftercare. Here I have provided the aftercare message, what we have to do, what we do not have to do. And then I've asked them, do you want the full guide? If they're going to click on this yes, I'm going to send them the full guide. If they click on no, I'm not going to send them any message. So if they click on this yes, as I've told you, I have explained you earlier, I have used this media. How I have done that, I have simply drag and drop this, and I have selected my content type as media, and then in this media type I have selected my media as the document, and then I have uploaded that media. I just made sure that it does not exceed the file size. So here we have successfully created this WhatsApp chatbot, and we have to keep in mind that we have toggle on this button so as to keep this flow active. If the flow is inactive, the messages will not be sent. So we have to keep this active, and we have to save this flow. If we do not save the flow, the messages will be lost and the flow updated successfully. So here we can send one or two messages to check whether it is working fine or not. I'm going to open my WhatsApp. I'm going to write the message and then send this message. We are going to receive the reply. Here we have received this reply. This is the same exact message which we have created, and you can see that we have bold the text. If I click on any of the buttons, the message is getting sent to me, and then I'm going to click on this aftercare tips, and you will see I'm going to receive the message. If I click on this, you will see that I'm going to receive the document, and here this is the same exact document. So this is how this WhatsApp chatbot is going to run. Now if you have any query, you can drop a comment below this video. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbot automation, and I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any questions, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the website given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow for 100% free and create your own WhatsApp chatbot.